Happy morning to 100%. My name is Bhavanish. I am coming from 9th F. Today I am going to explain about my project. My project topic is engine running in salt water. How? By the electrolysis process, I was used salt water because in salt water there was positive ion and negative ion. There was two plates. This was called anode and cathode. Anode means positive, cathode means negative. Anode produce oxygen, cathode produce hydrogen. How you want to keep in DC power? This gas is called HHO gas, a full form of HHO, hydroxide gas. This gas should not keep in direct, should be kept in bubble tank and give to carpet. It will run. Thank you.